Alright, this is the homeboy. They about to do a bike check.
I got the Fiend 21 and a quarter.
Fiend 21 and a quarter.
Scavenger flat iron forks.
Scavenger
Swift bars.
Swift bars.
Uni stem.
Uni stem.
Rock the King Cedo Dash. This is funky as shit.
Hell yeah.
Animal javelin.
Animal javelin front and back. Mansion.
Animal cranes.
Animal Kimbo cranes.
Yeah, it's different with the bolts here. Took the aluminum shit out, put some steel bolts in there.
Alright.
Same shit with the back hub. Got rid of the
I didn't see that.
Don't like that too much. Got the old school animal light sprocket.
Yeah, got the same
that
one.
shit for years. Butcher pegs.
Butcher pegs. Plastic sleeves.
Yeah, the sleeves on. Gotta replace them every once in a while, but it's alright. Edwin grips.
Edwin grips.
Everybody gotta get them shit, man.
And the pedals.
Pedals Odyssey. Skis. Metal pedals all day.
Metal pedals. It just hurt.
Yeah, it hurt, man, but they last twice as long.
Alright.
More than that.
You give me a name? Oh, you ain't done yet.
Custom valve cap.
Custom valve cap.
Real 45 shell.
It's a real shell.
So basic, man. A little heavy, but gets the job done.
How much do you think it weighs?
I have no idea. Weight this shit.
Okay, right? What's your name?
My name's Anthony, Long Island, Bike Depot East. Check us out.
Alright, thanks, bro. Alright, subscribe to Life Behind BMX. We're gonna be back later.